The difference between investigation and criminal investigation. Investigation is a big word for finding facts. It helps us learn about the world. But there's a special kind of investigation called criminal investigation. These two are different even though they both seek truth. A general investigation is like exploring. You want to know more about something. It could be anything. Scientists might investigate a new disease. Companies might investigate what people want to buy. Parents might investigate why their child is sad. The rules are flexible. You just want to find answers. The result might be new knowledge or a better way to do things. In short, both kinds of investigations search for facts, but general investigations explore anything. Criminal investigations focus on crime. Knowing the difference helps us see how we learn and how we keep things fair.